If you are given this question, how will you solve it? Give me.
A river brought a bundle.
Cost price of a bundle of grass. A bundle of grass. $50.
From which we made 8 mats.
Mat number of mats made equals to 8. Okay.
If each mat was sold for $15,
selling price of one mat equal to what? $15, right?
Yes.
Selling price of 16 mats equal to what? 15. Okay, 8 mats, abi? 8. Selling price of 8 mats equal to 15 times 8. So which is equal to what? 120, right? Equal to $120, right? So what's next?
Find the percentage of.
So now we are told that a weaver bought a bundle of grass for how much? $50, right? And from this bundle of grass, he made 8 mats, right? And one mat costs $15, right? And 8 mats will cost $120. We should calculate what? So percentage profit now. This one we have to use formula, right? So we say SP minus CP over what? CP times what? 100. We are using formula because we know both the SP and the CP. In that case, it's better to use formula. You know so? The SP, the selling price, SP selling price is 120 minus cost price, which is 50, over what? Cost price, which is 50, times what? 100. And that will give us 70, right? This minus this, that's 70. This 70 over 50 times 100. So answer is 140%. The guy really made a huge profit, 140%. Now let's move forward to the next one. There's a loss of what? 15% loss. Okay.
When an article was sold,
Okay.
find the ratio of the selling price.
Now there's a loss of what? 15%, right? So let's say this is the cost price. Now, this cost price, this is selling price, right? I told you from beginning of anything, the cost price is always 100%. So this is 100%. But when it is to sell, he made a loss of what? That means this selling price is short of 15. That would be 85%. Is it not so? The ratio of selling price to cost price. So let's find the ratio. This is 100 ratio 85, right? It must be to the lowest term, right? What can go in these two numbers? 5 in 100, 20. 5 in this one, 17. So they did not ask us ratio of cost price to selling price. They say ratio of selling price to cost price. So ratio of selling price to cost price will be 17 ratio 20. That's the answer.
Yeah.
So let's move to the next one. The next one, I have told you that there are some questions you cannot use formula to solve. If you try to use formula, they will confuse you. This next one is the type of question that it will be it will be problematic if you try to use formula to solve this type of problem. Let's look at the question together.
Lamin bought a book for 300 naira.
Lami's cost price. Lami's Lami. Lami's cost price is what?
bought a book for 300 yen
So this is Lami's cost price, right?
and sold it to Bola at a profit of X.
Now Lami's selling price. Lami's selling price at a profit of what?
X%.
X%. That means 100 plus X percent, because he sold it as at a profit of X percent. He sold it as a profit of what? X percent. 100 plus X percent will be 100 plus X over 100. 100 plus X over 100. That is 100 plus X percent. Abi? Then of the cost price of this one, right? That is the selling price. Oh. That is the what? Selling price. Now let's try to reduce this 300 times 100. 300 times 100.
Okay, that's
300, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? It's not so. Then plus 300 times x, 300 x, right? Over what? 100. Is that better? So 100 goes here to give us 300, right? It's not so. 100 goes there to give us what? Give us 3x. Is it simpler now? Lami's selling price is 300 plus 3x. Is that okay? Is that okay? So what we do is to say this multiplied by this multiplied by this, and give us this one, right? So 100 is carrying the two of them now. So 100 goes there, remain this one. 100 goes there, give us this one. So this is Lami's selling price. Okay? And Lami's selling price is the same as Bola's cost price, right? So what now happen again? Bola then sold it to James, right? So Bola's selling price is equal to 100 plus x, am I right? Over 100 times what? 300 plus x plus 3x, right? So the way to reduce this, we can put this one here, right? Is that right? We can put that one there. So what's the next thing they are saying? Bola then what?
Bola then sold the same book to James at a profit of
This is James' cost price. James cost price is still the same as Bola's selling price, right? So this is James' cost price. James' cost price is expressed in two ways. It's expressed in another way, right? Is equal to Lami's amount, am I right? Plus 6x plus 3 over 4. Now, what we have is this. They say James paid this amount, 6x plus 3 over 4, more than what Lami paid. So what Lami paid now plus this amount will still give us James' cost price. And don't forget, we already have the value for James' cost price here. So this is the value for James' cost price. And this is another value for James' cost price. That means we're going to equate the two value of James' cost price. We are able to establish that Bola's selling price is the same as James' cost price, right? If I sell something, my selling price is the buyer's cost price, right? So this is how we got this. But we are giving another expression for James' cost price, which is this amount more than Lami's cost price. So we express James' cost price in another way again. So we have two expressions for the same cost price of James. That means we are going to equate the two expressions for James' cost price. So when we do that, we form our equation 100 plus x over 100 times 300 plus x plus 3x, right, equals to 300 plus 6x plus 3 over 4, right? Now, what we do now is to do what? What's the next thing to do? What's the next thing to do now? The next thing to do now is to remove our denominators. We have two denominators. We have 100 here. We also have 4 here. So what we do is to remove our denominators. And how do we remove it? What is the LCM of 104? 104. What is the LCM? Your head is overeating, or what? 4 can go in 100 now. So the LCM of 104 is 100. So you multiply this side by 100. This one 100, this one 100, this one 100, right? LCM is 100. To clear the fraction, multiply this. Everything here is considered as 1. Because of this bracket, everything here is considered as 1. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So we have 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we multiply through everything, every single term by 100. When you multiply this one by 100, you are left with this. Then this one. Then this one times 100 will give you 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm already multiplying it now. 100 will cancel this 100. The 100 here will cancel the 100 here. Is that right? So this one will give us 600 x, right? The 100 here, 4 goes in 100. 25. 25 times 3. 75, right? So 100 times what? Times 300, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 100 times 3s is what? X times 300. Right? S times 3s. 3s squared. Right? It's not so. Equals to what? This one. This plus this will give you what? 375. 375, right? Plus 600x, right? Now let's do some addition here. This is 600x, right? So this one we cancel this one, right? Now on this side you are left with what? You are left with 30,000. So let us come to this side now. You are left with 30,000. Am I right? It's not so. Plus 3x squared, right? Equal to 30075, right? Why? Because 600x here has cancelled the 600x here. It's not so. Now we are left with can this one come here? So we have 3x squared 30075 minus this one. So 3x squared. Can you subtract this? Give you 75, right? 75, right? Can you divide both sides by 3 to give you 25, right? Eh? So now x equals square root of 25, right? So x equals 5. That is what we are looking for. That the value of x they are asking you to find is 5. Is that right? That 5 is what? Is it percentage or naira? What? Find what?
Find the value of x.
So the value of x is 5. Okay? X percent. Is not so? X percent. So that is 5%. That is our answer. So we've come to the end of this profit and loss. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.